Not one showing. It's been on the market 3 weeks and you haven't had a single showing. What is going on? You're pissed. What is this nonsense? Your neighbors sold their house in a day for over asking, and you've been sitting here for 3 weeks with no showings. What's going on in the market? Is your agent just not doing their job? Probably not. My name is Kristina, and I sell real estate. Sometimes real estate markets are good, sometimes they're bad, just like everything else. Right now it happens to be right in the middle. And so if you're looking back at the pricing and the activity of last year, wondering why it's not happening this year, that's a key factor. If you haven't had a showing in 3 weeks, I guarantee you it's price. Price reduction, 3 to 5%, something significant to get it competitive in today's market. 3 things sell houses: price, condition, and marketing. And if you haven't had a showing in 3 weeks, I guarantee you it's price. So you can mess around with all the other marketing and the condition, but the bottom line is, to get it sold, you need a serious price reduction. You need to get fresh eyes on it, 3 to 5% at least. And that way you'll sell it in the quickest amount of time. If you don't want to sell it at a lower price, take it off the market for now. You don't have to sell it today, but you need to know that we're going to be in a similar market space, this kind of neutral market, not buyer, not seller market, for at least some time. It'll be a little bit of time, but that's okay. You can wait. And let's talk strategy in the meantime. Leasing it and getting the most dollars you can while you're holding the property.